In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to a Google form using a shareable link. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know how to host your audio online, grab a reliable link, and place that link inside your Google form so respondents can listen before answering. This method works well for quizzes, language assessments, surveys, and any situation where hearing a clip is essential. First, upload your audio to a hosting platform. You can use Google Drive, YouTube, SoundCloud, or a similar service you already trust. On Google Drive, upload your MP3 or WAV file, then change its sharing so anyone with the link can view or play it. This is crucial because if the file is restricted, your respondents will hit a permissions wall. On YouTube, you can create an audio-only video by pairing your audio with a simple still image and setting it to unlisted if you do not want it publicly searchable. On SoundCloud, upload your track and make sure sharing is enabled so a direct link works without logging in. As a pro tip, keep your file name clear and concise, and consider normalizing your audio volume so listeners do not have to adjust their devices dramatically. Next, copy the link to your audio. On Google Drive, use the Get Link option and confirm it shows that anyone with the link can view. On YouTube, copy the video URL from the address bar or the Share button. On SoundCloud, use the Share feature to grab the public or unlisted link. Before moving on, open a private or Incognito window and paste the link to confirm it plays without requiring sign-in. This quick check prevents headaches later. If your platform offers an embed code, you can copy that too. But for Google Forms, you will typically rely on the direct link. Now, add the link to your Google form. Open your form and click the plus icon on the right to add a new question. Type your question, then paste the audio link into the question description field beneath it. This places the playable link right where respondents will see it. Choose the appropriate question type for how you want them to respond, and toggle required if necessary. Use the preview button to test the form as a respondent. Click the link, confirm it opens in a new tab, and make sure the audio plays smoothly on both desktop and mobile. If your audience needs extra clarity, include a short instruction like, "Please listen to the audio clip above before answering." That's it. Upload, copy, and place the link in your Google form, and you are ready to collect informed responses.